Your home loan is a big deal. TFCU can help you step by step. Step 1, apply online in 20 minutes or less, or schedule a time with one of our helpful home loan experts. Some things you'll want to gather ahead of time might include your Social Security or tax ID, your income, employment history, your bank account info, current debt, or details on other brokerage accounts or real estate you might own.
Home ownership is a huge deal. I'd say that's one of the first steps to financial empowerment for our membership. You may start with an auto loan or a credit card, but when you get to the home loan process, it's a much bigger step.
Step 2, once TFCU approves your credit approval status, you can house hunt with confidence. If you haven't started house shopping yet, once you get your credit approval is a great time to start. Step 3 is processing your loan application while our team works behind the scenes. We'll ask for any additional information we might still need from you along the way.
So it's just a normal process. It doesn't mean that something's wrong. It just means that we need a little more information.
Step 4 is final approval, as the TFCU underwriting team makes it all official with your final loan review and confirmation. And once you have final TFCU approval, Step 5 is closing.
The most rewarding part of my job is getting people to the closing table so that they actually experience homeownership for the first time, or again, they may be refinancing, getting money out, lowering their interest rate. It's just a positive experience to be able to complete the whole process.
Making sure whether our member understands a product or whether our member doesn't know they qualify for something, making sure that they know the ins and outs of that product. So by the end of their experience with us, they're able to successfully say, hey, Tinker took care of me like I would take care of my family or take care of a friend.
Learn more about our 10, 15, 20, and 30-year fixed-rate loans, and check out our mortgage calculator, current rates, and more homebuyer tips and information on our helpful tinkerfcu.org Mortgage Center page. Get your home loan from the one you trust, because we get it at Tinker Federal Credit Union.